Programming advice I wish I had sooner. Reduce your expectations. When you get started with programming, or even, if you're going along the way of becoming a software engineer and learning and becoming better, you're going to have high expectations for yourself, and you're not going to reach those expectations the way you thought you would, or in the time frame that you thought you would most of the time. When I got started, I thought that I was going to be cranking away, writing software, crushing projects, pretty quick. And in all reality, I did not. And it really hurt the ego really bad. I suffered really bad from it. I thought that because I'm typically the kind of person where I'm very quick to pick things up, and sure, there's some concepts that I was able to pick up relatively quick, but in all reality, it's going to take longer. Things are going to take longer than you thought. Projects are going to take longer. You're going to make more mistakes than you thought. You're not going to pick up on the things that you thought you would as fast as you thought you would. So overall, things are going to take longer, right? And that's okay. It doesn't mean that you're not capable of being a software engineer. It just so happens that some people take longer to understand concepts or to learn concepts faster than others. Like, for example, with data structures and algorithms, doing LeetCode, it's okay if you're not good at LeetCode or if you're struggling with LeetCode. Some people are better at it than others. For me, I struggle really hard I can write the code for it, but I struggled really hard with coming up with the algorithms and the answers for it. For whatever reason, for me, my brain just doesn't work in that way, so I struggle with that, right? So I think something that will benefit you in the ongoing future is reduce your expectations on yourself, right? And instead of having these expectations that you're trying to meet, set systems that you can follow in order to help you improve in certain areas, then setting these expectations up for yourself that you're more than likely probably going to fall short of in certain areas, because the reality is everybody is better at different things than other folks, right? So I think in the long run, something that will save you from hurting your own feelings or hurting your ego is setting up systems instead of trying to make assumptions about yourself and comparing yourself to other software engineers, because you're going to hurt your feelings and you're probably going to fall short in different aspects. So use systems over setting up expectations and comparing yourself.